Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining us today. I'm excited to welcome you to our presentation on sustainable AI, balancing innovation and environmental responsibility. Today, we'll explore how energy efficiency, resource management, and Microsoft's leadership are shaping the future of green AI technologies. Over the next few minutes, we'll look at how we can innovate responsibly while protecting our planet. Let's get started. Welcome to this section on AI energy consumption. As we explore sustainable AI, it's important to understand that balancing innovation with environmental responsibility is crucial. The rapid growth of AI technologies is creating a significant energy demand, which highlights the urgent need for energy-efficient infrastructure. This isn't just about keeping systems running, it's about managing our environmental impact while continuing to innovate. Looking ahead to 2030, projections indicate that AI-related energy demand could increase by up to 10 times. This is largely driven by expanding model sizes and wider deployment across industries. Such growth underscores the importance of developing smarter, more sustainable solutions. In 2023, data centers, which support AI workloads and many digital services, accounted for about 1% of global electricity use. Although that might seem small, AI workloads are growing rapidly, and their energy consumption is becoming a significant factor in our overall electricity usage. So, as we move forward, understanding and managing this energy growth is key to ensuring that AI remains sustainable and environmentally responsible. Let's take a closer look at the environmental impact of AI. As we push for innovation, we also face the challenge of balancing performance with sustainability. This creates a complex situation, advancing AI capabilities while minimizing ecological footprints. One major concern is electronic waste. As hardware becomes outdated, disposal of these devices can lead to toxic materials leaking into the environment. Then there's the issue of material mining and processing. Manufacturing AI hardware requires extracting raw materials, which contributes significantly to carbon emissions and generates waste. Lastly, we can't forget about energy consumption, especially in cooling systems within data centers. These systems need a lot of energy to keep everything running at optimal temperatures. All of these factors highlight the importance of developing sustainable AI practices that respect our planet while continuing to innovate. Let's talk about resource depletion concerns in AI technology. As we push forward with innovation, it's crucial that we also focus on sustainability. Sustainable sourcing and recycling initiatives play a key role here. They help us reduce resource depletion and support long-term growth in AI. Now, when we look at solutions, supply chain vulnerabilities become particularly important. Disruptions in the supply chain can impact the production of AI hardware and, in turn, influence global technology markets. A major factor to consider is China's dominant position in mining and refining these essential materials. This creates supply constraints and introduces geopolitical risks that could affect the availability of resources we depend on. Specifically, AI hardware relies heavily on rare earth minerals like neodymium, dysprosium, and cobalt. Our dependence on these minerals makes us vulnerable to supply issues and geopolitical tensions. Overall, addressing these resource challenges is vital for creating a sustainable and responsible future for AI development, aligning innovation with environmental stewardship. Let's take a closer look at Microsoft's AI sustainability initiatives, specifically focusing on hardware efficiency and cooling. Microsoft's commitment here reflects a strategic approach to embedding sustainability into the very design of their AI infrastructure. They are not just developing powerful AI, but doing so responsibly by reducing environmental impact. One of the key aspects is how these innovations help significantly cut down the carbon footprint. This is achieved without compromising on the high standards of AI performance that users and industries depend on. It's about balancing progress with responsibility. A major area of focus is advanced cooling technologies. Microsoft is utilizing solutions like liquid cooling and innovative heat exchange systems. These methods are crucial because they lower the energy consumption of data centers making them more efficient and environmentally friendly. Additionally, Microsoft has developed custom AI chips that are optimized specifically for energy efficiency. These chips consume less power per computation, which further reduces overall energy use and helps make AI deployment more sustainable. All of these efforts demonstrate a clear commitment to integrating sustainability into AI hardware design, ensuring that as AI advances, it does so in a way that respects our planet. Let's talk about Microsoft's networking innovations for data centers, specifically focusing on sustainable AI. As we push for more advanced AI workloads, it's crucial that we also consider environmental responsibility. By improving network efficiency, Microsoft is helping create greener data center ecosystems. This means faster AI processing and reduced energy consumption at the same time. One of the key advancements here is a technology that enhances data transmission speeds while lowering the power needed for network operations. This dual benefit supports both performance and sustainability goals. So, what makes this possible? Enter hollow core fiber technology. Unlike traditional fiber optics, HCF uses air-filled cores to transmit data. This design significantly reduces signal loss and requires less energy, making it a more efficient solution. Microsoft has introduced this innovative hollow core fiber technology specifically for data center networking cables. It represents a major step forward in balancing the demands of cutting-edge AI with our commitment to environmental sustainability. Let's take a closer look at some of the strengths that showcase Microsoft's leadership in AI for sustainability. As we've seen, sustainable AI is all about balancing innovation with environmental responsibility. These examples highlight how Microsoft is actively advancing AI as a powerful tool for global sustainability efforts. For instance, our partnerships with environmental organizations are crucial. By collaborating and leveraging data-driven conservation efforts, we're able to amplify our impact and support more effective environmental protection initiatives. Additionally, strategic AI solutions are being used to optimize supply chains. This means reducing waste, conserving resources, and making operations more efficient, benefiting both the environment and the bottom line. And then there are customer success stories, like AI-powered energy management systems. These systems help organizations lower operational costs and reduce emissions, demonstrating how AI can deliver real-world environmental benefits while also supporting business goals. All of these points reinforce the overall theme: Microsoft's commitment to harnessing AI not just for technological advancement, but for positive, sustainable change across the globe. Continued efforts are absolutely vital if we want to realize AI's full sustainable potential. As we see it, innovation and policy engagement go hand in hand. It's essential to expand collaboration across industries to set effective standards that guide responsible development. One of the key areas we need to focus on is establishing unified sustainability standards, which help enhance accountability, especially around the extraction and use of rare earth minerals. Transparency in supply chains is another critical piece. Being open about where materials come from and how they're processed helps build trust and reduces environmental impact. Addressing end-of-life recycling and material recovery is also a major challenge. Finding ways to responsibly recycle AI devices and recover valuable materials reduces waste and minimizes resource depletion. At the same time, we face the ongoing challenge of meeting the growing demand for AI technology without compromising performance. Scaling energy-efficient AI hardware is crucial here, as it allows us to support innovation while reducing energy consumption. All these points highlight the gaps and challenges we still face in achieving true AI sustainability. Balancing innovation with environmental responsibility isn't easy, but it's absolutely necessary if we want AI to be a force for good in the long run.